it is time for Researchers Camp. In this program, we introduce the researchers from all over the universe. And today's researcher is Dr. Tawachai Charin Panitkur, Associate Professor of Faculty of Engineering, Chulalongkorn University. Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you too.
So let's start the interview. So first
please.
Yes. Could you please tell me your current research theme?
Yes, first of all, on behalf of Center of Excellence in Particle Technology, I would like to express our sincere thanks to you for giving us an opportunity to introduce our recent work to the public. Now, we are in the Center of Excellence in Particle Technology, which we are focusing on particle technology, and more recently, we extend our work to the nanoparticle technology.
Nanoparticle technology?
Yes.
Okay.
Talking about the particle technology, including nanoparticle technology, I have to mention that the particle is another phase of material. It differs from gas, liquid, and solid itself. Because when you focus on the particles have its own size, which is the really important characteristic. If the particle size is very uniform, we call the monolith curve. Such a particle will exhibit special properties. In particular, when the size is down to the nanoscale, the nanoparticles will also exhibit unusual properties different from the bulk material of itself. For example, if you talk about nano gold particles, when we talk about the gold particles, the color is golden color. But for the nanoparticles, for the gold nanoparticles, the color is red.
Red.
This is just an example of a unique particle.
And you focus on the nano side of the particle.
Yes.
Okay. And I hear that you do also the other kind of researches other than the nanoparticle.
Yes. In our Center of Excellence, we do research as a teamwork. Not I myself. I have many other colleagues working together. For example, Dr. Natapon Bonanon. She got her master's degree from Case Western Reserve University, and she got a Lompaku from Kyoto University.
Oh yes.
She's focusing on mesoporous material. She tried to develop RF gel from resocinol and formaldehyde to synthesize the gel, and after carbonization, she gets a hierarchical porosity structure. So in her particles, there are macropore, mesopore, and micropore. And another of my colleagues, Dr. Apinan, who just got a PhD from Tottori University.
Okay.
He's an expert in food technology. He's trying to explore in the field of encapsulation.
Encapsulation. Okay.
Yes, the biomaterial extract from the many kind of herbal materials available in Thailand.
Okay, so you do a lot of research.
Yes.
Thank you very much. So let's move to the next topic. Could you tell me what kind of research you can provide to other researchers?
Oh, because we are in university.
Yeah.
So the main mission of our work is to produce a human resource.
Okay.
At the moment, we have about 6 PhD students and about almost 30 master students. So the first thing that we can provide to the public is the young researchers, young generation of researchers.
Okay.
So we try to encourage each student to pursue their own research work. We can say that each student, each graduate are tailor-made graduates. They have their own research topic. They have their own idea. They have been trained to make a presentation, to discuss, to make use of the knowledge, to explain, and to make use from such knowledge for the future. This is the first thing that we can provide.
Okay.
And also, we also have the know-how from our experiment from our research. For example, now we can make use of some industrial waste to synthesize the high value added carbon nanoparticles with a very specific property. For example, in front of me I have the carbon nanoparticles which can respond to the magnet.
Oh, magnet.
Yes. So inside this is a nano encapsulation of carbon, and if you put the magnet close to the particle, you will see that the particle will move along. Normally, carbon will not respond to the magnet. This is also the outcome of our work.
Okay, so you can also give some production material itself about nanoparticles. Okay, thank you very much. So let's move to the next topic. In the future, what is your future plan of your research?
So we try to pioneer some new research as well. Among them, for example, this kind of particle. It's very new. To the best of our knowledge, when we try to search the paper, no one has been reporting that they can make use of the carbon encapsulation with ion that can respond to the magnet. So from this idea, we believe that it can be used in many applications. For example, tumor cell mediation, I mean cancer. If we can introduce the magnetic response particle into the patient body, because it's response to magnet. So if we deliver such a particle into the tumor cell or cancer cell, and then we can apply the magnet to increase the temperature of the tumor cell, so we can destroy the cancer cell directly from this kind of particle. This is by heat. This is a very new and the front end technology. But for the very nearly commercially available applications, for example, this kind of product can be used to detect some fracture in some metallic, because it's in the nano scale. When we apply this kind of magnetic response on the particles onto the surface of material, we can find the fracture easily. This is also the future application, very close future application of this kind of technology.
So this particle will be inside of some defect or something, and you can detect the defect by measuring this kind of particle. It's very interesting and challenging research thing. Thank you very much. So next, the last topic interview. To achieve your future research, what kind of some resource do you need from other researchers?
Well, at the present, every field becomes interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary. So only our laboratory we cannot achieve all. We need collaboration from other researchers as well. As I mentioned, if I want to use this type of particle for the tumor cell mediation, we do need a medical doctor. We do need a pharmacist to help us to join, because in our lab we do not have the bio test lab. Or if we want to use it for detecting the fracture or defect in the material, we do need some expert in material science, as a material scientist or electrical engineer, to help us to detect the signal from the magnetism of the particle. So we do need collaboration from other field of researchers. And of course, to make the scientific outcome, we do need some necessary analytical instrumentation. For example, if we want to measure the magnetic distance, we do need the squid or magnetometer, which is not available in our lab. Of course, other applications we also need some other promising or new analytical instruments.
Okay, so there are some researchers who study about some medicine and material science and electrical engineering, and also the study about some analyzing technology.